Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is talk about the best cold wallet for your Bitcoin. So if you guys do get something out of this, please like, comment, subscribe, comment down below specifically which wallet you believe is the best for your Bitcoin. So let's dive right into it. Today we are April 20th of 2025, and going forward you may see different wallets that come up. So keep that in mind. I may be reviewing other wallets in the near future, as well as 2026, 2027. Things are going to change by then. But right now, as of 2025, the best wallet is going to be the Tangem Wallet. Okay. So if you want a good, fast, and cheap solution, Tangem Wallet. Okay, if you want a good, fast, and maybe a little more expensive solution, the Tangem Ring. I love this. So why would you want something like this? Well, most of you hold your crypto on your phone, software on your phone. What this allows you to do is hold your crypto effectively offline. So your private keys are not held on software, where if somebody hacks your phone or device, your laptop, desktop, they cannot sign a transaction, because with this device, you have to physically have the device to sign transactions. So by tapping this wallet, you can sign transactions, and it's going to add another layer of protection. So I've done so many videos on this. If you guys want, head over to the Crypto Moose channel. If you want to know how to set one up, type in Tangem or put Tangem Wallet Crypto Moose, and you'll see a bunch of videos. So I have best crypto wallets, the best crypto wallet, but like here you got a nice unboxing. So if you want to get a nice 4K real world experience, that's what we got there for you. On top of that, we have a simple wallet setup video. I recommend watching the latest one, because you can actually set up your seed phrase and how to send your crypto as well. Now, if you want to pick one up, use my link tree. Okay, so if you go in the description below or pinned in the comments, you will see the Crypto Moose link tree. When you go there, go under hardware wallets, see which one you want. And again, you pick up whatever wallet you want. But in this case, we're going to talk about a wallet that's $50. So, something you can get, a nice 2-card set. Use code Moose, save 10% off. And there you go. Order it. Under $50 USD. You are not holding your crypto any longer on a centralized exchange, so an online exchange. If somebody attacks your account, if they get in there, they can send tokens away. If they get into, something like a Nami or a Yoroi or a MetaMask, you have no protection unless you're using a hardware wallet. Okay, so if you're holding Bitcoin, this is a great option. And they also have this nice Bitcoin version. It's probably going to be in the thumbnail. But whatever one you choose, I don't care. I want you to protect your crypto. That is what's important here. So taking a look at the market, if you're watching this video, it's very likely that Bitcoin is going to be higher in the future. I'm talking about months and years, over the course of, over a couple days, weeks, maybe even months. You're going to see a lot of fluctuations. You'll see the inevitable crash every 4 years. But ultimately, over time, if you invest in a scarce, desirable asset, this is not financial advice. You're listening to a loose moose. But over time, you're typically going to see Bitcoin doing well, and you would have wished that you picked up a nice hardware wallet. So use the link tree, use code Moose. I really like this wallet. It fits in my actual wallet. So here's my wallet. Put it in like this. Boom. And all you have to do is tap the device. So I have different videos on it, how to set it up, how to use it. So guys, comment down below. What is the best cold wallet for Bitcoin? I'm going to have to go with the Tangem Wallet or Tangem Ring. They're my most used wallet right now. So with that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.